Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to compare savings accounts on Nerdwallet. Are you looking for the best place to grow your savings? Here's how you can compare Nerdwallet's savings accounts using Nerdwallet's tools, so that of course that your money works smarter for you. Let's get into it. First, go to nerdwallet.com, and then in the main menu, you're going to click Banking. From the drop-down menu, just select Best Savings Accounts. You're going to see a curated list of top-performing savings accounts across online banks, credit unions, and traditional institutions. To tailor your results, use the filter provided. These lets you sort by annual percentage yield, that's the APY, as well as minimum balance requirements. There's also monthly maintenance fees, ease of access, whether it's online or branch, and even account perks like auto savings tools. Each account card shows key details upfront. That's the interest rates, the monthly fees, and ATM access, if any, and a list of pro and cons such as customer service ratings or mobile app quality. Click on more info to dive deeper into features including early withdrawal penalties, transfer limits, and of course account opening procedures. If you want to directly compare multiple accounts, Nerdwallet offers a side-by-side comparison feature where you can evaluate rates, fees, and benefits all in one view. Once you find one that fits your needs, click Open Accounts to head straight to the bank's official site and apply. With a clear data and smart filter, Nerdwallet makes comparing savings accounts fast, simple, and totally in your control. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more Nerdwallet tutorials that make smarter savings a whole lot easier. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you in the next one.